What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today on Lisa's Food Addiction, we are making this creamy, super cheesy spinach and artichoke dip. It comes together really quick and it's perfect for a crowd. Let's get cooking. To get started on this super easy spinach and artichoke dip, we're just going to grab a yellow onion. Once you have a yellow onion, we're going to run our knife through it, get it chopped up real good. You want your onions to be in bite-sized pieces. Once we have our onions chopped up, go ahead and grab a glass bowl and we're just going to place our onions into that bowl and we're going to get ready to fry these onions up. So here I have my cast iron skillet. Y'all know I love to cook in this cast iron skillet. It's the best. We're going to add in some vegetable oil and our yellow onions. Get those to sweating and cooking real good. All of the water is going to release from those onions. Season them up with some salt and pepper. And once they are done, they're going to be nice and golden brown like this right here. We're just going to continue to stir our onions, show the onions some love, y'all. You don't want them to burn up in that pan, okay? So keep that spoon stirring those onions up, and once they are done, we're going to place them into a bowl and set it aside. And we are also going to keep our cast iron skillet, okay? We're not going to wash away. You see all of that flavor right there? We're going to leave that in our pan, and that's going to add tons of flavor to our dip later on. Okay guys, now it's time to chop up our artichokes. So these artichokes just came simply out of a can. I drained them and I placed them on my chopping board. That's one reason why this recipe is so easy. I've seen people buy fresh artichokes and they got to ball them and cook them and look at them and do all of this. That's too much. We ain't doing all of that, okay? We're going to get the artichokes out of the can, chop them up, throw them in the bowl with some spinach, and boom, that's going to be our quick dip. Now we're just going to toss our onions that we cooked into the bowl along with the spinach and the chopped artichokes, and we're just going to mix that up, let it get all nice and merry, let everybody get to know each other. Then we're going to throw in our cream cheese. I'm using 2 bars of 8-ounce cream cheese, okay? This is going to let our dip be really nice and creamy, you know, nice and thick. We don't want no runny dip. Ain't nobody going to eat that, okay? They're going to talk about you. We don't want that. We're going to mix this up with our spatula and get it nice and combined, real creamy. And then we're going to toss in some mayo and sour cream. It really gets it close to that restaurant taste that you like for spinach and artichoke dip, so don't skip out on the sour cream. Once you add those 2 ingredients in there, you know, give it a nice mix it up real good. You want all the ingredients combined and try to get that cream cheese as mixed through the mix as you could. Did I say mix through the mix, Lord? Mix through the dip as well as you could, okay? So this is a really good exercise. You know, you get your arm workout. If you're mad at your man, come and make some dip. You get some stress relieved, okay? Now that we have all of that mixed together, we're just going to throw in some seasonings. I got some Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder. Y'all know I love garlic and onion powder. It flavors up everything. We're going to add in some Parmesan cheese and we're going to get that mixed together. We're also going to go in with some Italian blend and some mozzarella. These are all, you know, packaged cheeses. We're not shredding these by hand. I told y'all this recipe is super easy. So once you have all of that in there, give it a good mix and we're going to place it in our cast iron skillet. Now that our spinach and artichoke mixture is done, we're going to place it into our cast iron skillet, spread it out nice and evenly. You want a nice even layer of our dip. And remember earlier, guys, we cooked our onions in the same cast iron skillet pan, but we did not wash the pan. So we have all of that flavor and oil left over from the onions. So we're going to top this off with some mozzarella, some Italian cheese, and we're also going to do a little sprinkle of this grated Parmesan cheese right here. Go ahead and throw this bad boy into the oven and it's going to bake up nice and gorgeous like this right here. Grab some tortilla chips, those buffalo wings, some sliders, and we are ready to partay, okay? I hope you guys have been enjoying these game day recipes. If you want to cook with us, it's easy. All you have to do is hit subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you know the next time we are cooking it up in the kitchen And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!